Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today we're going to be making a full circle skirt. So that's what we're going to be making. And the material I have here is around 2 trousers. That is what I have here. So that's what I'm going to be using for this skirt. So let us get started. So the full length of the skirt I want it to be around 30 inches, and I'm going to be adding 2 inches band, so making it 32 inches. So this is a 3/4 skirt. So let us get started. So the first thing to do is you are going to be folding your fabric into 2 this way. So you fold your fabric this way into 2, and the next thing you're going to be doing, so this fabric is folded into 2 now. So the next thing to do is to make like a triangle. So after you make your triangle, so when you're making the triangle, you try to leave at least 1 inches around this side. So this 1 inches is going to be my zipper allowance. So for this, we are cutting both the front and the back together. So this 1 inches is the zipper allowance. So the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be dividing your waist measurement divided by 3.14. So that's what we are going to be dividing the waist measurement by. So the waist measurement I'm working with 36 inches waist measurement. So when I divided it by 3.14, I had around 11.4. So I'm going to be taking that 11.4 around this edge. So I just take it all around 11.4, just the way I am doing it. So the next thing to do is to determine the length of the skirt, which we said I was working with 30 inches. So I just try to get my 30 inches this way. So from this point here, I'm just going to get 30 inches all around. So guys, the next thing to do is just to cut this line and cut this line. So this closed edge is going to be the front of the back. So I'm just going to be opening this side. This is it now. So we have a closed edge here. This is for the front. This is our zipper allowance, and this is the side. So from this side now, I'm just going to mark out 1 inches. So I'm just going to notch around 1 inches here and notch it. This is where I'm going to be fixing my pockets. So this is where I'm going to be fixing my pockets. So let's cut out the pockets. So I'm just going to fold a part of the material this way, and I'll make sure that my hands can go through, and I'm just going to cut it out. So just the way I am doing this way. So these are for the pockets. So this is the pocket. We have 4 here. So the next thing to cut is the band, the waistband. So this is for the band. So this will work for the back and this will work for the front. So I'm going to be opening for that of the back. I'm going to be dividing it into 2. So for the sewing part, we're going to start with the attaching pockets first. So I'm just going to open up the front this way. So I open up the front this way. So from this notch area, I'm going to be fixing one part of the pocket this way, and I'm also going to be fixing the next one this way. So I'll take this to the sewing machine and join this side and join for the other parts, and I'll do the same for the back. Okay guys, so this is it after we join the pockets. So this is for the back. You can see that I've gone ahead to join the zipper allowance. So this is how the zipper allowance is looking like, and we've done the same thing for the front. So this is also the front. So these are the pockets. So the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be placing our band. So I'm just going to fold this band this way, and I'm going to be placing it just this way, and then I'll take this to the sewing machine and just sew using 1/2 inches. So this band is 5 inches, so on fold is 2.5 inches. So I'm just going to place it this way and sew, or I'm going to sew, and I'm also going to sew for the back. So guys, this is it after I was done joining the band, and you can see that I'm going ahead to weave it, so it's looking very neat. And so this is for the back. So this is it for the back. I went ahead to open some part of the stitch edge for the zipper. So this is where the zipper is going to sit, and you can see that I also went ahead to weave the waistline. So the next thing to do now is just to place the sides together. So I'll pick the front this way, right sides facing each other. So I'll firstly go ahead to join the zipper allowance this way. After I'm done, then I'll pick up the front side, then I'll sew this way. So I'll sew, so you measure what your waistline is. So for me, I was working with 36 inches, so I'll measure wherever the 36 inches divided by 2 is 18 inches. So I'll get ahead to take in my allowance, and I'll just join the sides. So let me just go ahead to do that, then I'll show you. Then after I am done, I'll go ahead to weave every part that needed to be weaved. This down part, I'll weave it and turn it. So let me just go ahead to finish up the skirt, then I will show you what the final piece is looking like. So guys, this is for the back part. So before we join the sides, we are going to be fixing the zip. So what I'll do is I'll just cover up the back this way. So I said the waistline that we're working with is 36. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. So if I divide 18 divided by 2 again, I'll have 9. So if I have 9, so it means I have 2 inches allowance. So I'll be using 1 inches on this side and 1 inches on the zipper allowance. So I'm just going to mark out the 1 inches around the zipper allowance this way. So I'm going to take my zipper. So this is the zipper that I'm going to be using. So I'll just take this zipper this way and take it in using my 1 inches to take it in. So I'll take in the zipper. After I am done, then I'll place the right side of the front on this part and take in the remaining 1 inch on both sides to finish it up. So let me go ahead to do that. So this is the zipper after I was done fixing it. So this is how the inside is looking. So I went ahead to weave all the rough edges, and this is our pockets. So it has pockets. These are our pockets. And I went ahead to finish the down part, so you can see neatly finished, whipped and ironed. So that's all for making this beautiful skirt. So and you can see that it is full. So this is it, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial. I hope you recreate yours. So this is just how to make your basic full skirt. So you can make it long, you can make it shorter. It depends on how you want it to be. So that is all for making this skirt, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye, guys.